I'm Carrie MaKenna. I'm co-director at Dart Gallery in the Santa Fe Arts District. We are a cooperative gallery of contemporary artists, and we have 16 member artists in our gallery. And right now we're showing a members exhibit. So yeah, we've been pretty impacted by the virus. We closed in mid-March and have reopened about a month just in partial hours. We haven't had a First Friday for 3 months, and we probably won't be for quite some time. So we haven't had the sales that we've needed, and we're continuing to be here so that people can come here for a respite from whatever's happening in the world. We're taking the CDC guidelines seriously, and so we are open for limited hours, and we're requiring people to wear masks when they come in, and also we're limiting the number of people to 10 total in the gallery at any one time. We really feel like coming to a gallery situation is a very safe place to be because it's a very low touch situation, typically not too many people in the space at one time, and you can keep nicely separated to view the art and enjoy your stay here. We're really happy that we can be open again, and we'd love to have you come join us and take a look at the beautiful art that we have on the walls. It can really be a healing experience during these times of quiet and challenge, and art is still happening. It's happening all the time, and we're just so thrilled to show ours to you. So come on down.